Hey guys, very good morning. Today in this class we are going to solve this nice math olympiad question. So our question is 2 power x plus 2 power y plus 2 power z equal to 148. Then we have to find out the values of x, y and z. And we also given that x less than y less than z. Okay, let's start. First we'll write what is given. Okay, so given is 2 power x plus 2 power y plus 2 power z equal to 148. Okay, and we also given that x less than y less than z. Okay, this is what given. And so to find the values of x, y, z, first of all what I'm going to do here is I'll just take this 2 power x. Okay, here I would like to multiply as well as divide by 2 power x. So multiply and divide by 2 power x. Okay, then so 2 power x of 2 power x plus 2 power y plus 2 power z, okay, divided by 2 power x equal to 148. So then 2 power x of 2 power x by 2 power x plus 2 power y by 2 power y plus 2 power z by 2 power x, sorry, here 2 power x, okay, equal to 148. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, 2 power x get cancelled. So 2 power x of here 1 plus, okay, 1 plus here 2 power y by 2 power z can be written as 2 power y minus x here, okay, plus 2 power z by 2 power x can be written as 2 power z minus x equal to 148. Just look at here. Do you know how it come? We know one formula that a power m in m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay, according to this formula, we have written this part. Okay, so next will be 2 power x of 1 plus 2 power y minus x plus 2 power z minus x equal to this 48. I'm going to split it. So 148 LCM will be 2 sevens, 2 fours. Okay, then 2 threes, 2 sevens. Here 37 will not go. Okay, then we'll left is 2 into 2 into 37. So we'll write here 2 into 2 into 37. Okay, so 2 power x of 1 plus 2 power y minus x plus 2 power z minus x equal to, see here two terms are there. This is one term and this is second term. So here also I am taking two terms and 2 2's 4. 4 multiplied by 37. Okay, and one more thing here, this is 2 power x which is an even number. Okay, in the same way here 4 is an even number. Here 1 2 3 terms are there, 5 odd number, so this is also odd. In this way we are going to, okay, separate it. So here we'll get two parts. Okay, 2 power x equal to 4. Okay, then 1 plus 2 power y minus x plus 2 power z minus x equal to 37. Okay, okay, so here 2 power x equal to 2 square. Bases are equal, then power should be equalized. Therefore, x equal to 2. This is what the value of x. Okay. Now here, this one I am sending to that side. Then it takes 2 power y minus x plus 2 power z minus x equal to 37 minus 1. Okay, now this one I am going to write it as 2 power y by 2 power x plus 2 power z by 2 power x equal to 37 minus 1 is 36. Okay, so here 2 power y plus 2 power z divided by 2 power x equal to 36. Okay, so 2 power y plus 2 power z divided by 2 power, in the place of x we can write 2, okay, equal to 36. Therefore 2 power y plus 2 power z equal to 36 multiplied by 4. This 2 power 2 means 4. It when it comes this side, it takes the multiplication. Okay. Okay, next term will be, okay, next will be 2 power y plus 2 power z equal to, here 36 can be written as 9 fourths multiplied by 4. Okay, so here what I am going to do, here I will multiply and divide by 2 power y. Okay, then it takes 2 power y, okay, of 2 power y plus 2 power z by 2 power y equal to 4 square multiplied by 9. Okay, then it becomes, here just see, 2 power y of 2 power y by 2 power y plus 2 power z by 2 power y equal to 4 square multiplied by 9. Okay, here these two get cancelled, then the remaining will be 2 power y of 1 plus 2 power z minus y equal to 4 square multiplied by 9. So this came, we know that a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n according to this formula. Okay, according to this formula we have written this part. Okay, then see, this is 2 is an even number, here also 2 4 is even, and this is odd, 2 plus 1 3, so this is odd and this is 1 is odd. That's why I am taking 2 power y equal to 4 square, which is one term, and 1 plus 2 power z minus y equal to 9. So this is second one, second term. Okay, 2 power y, so 2 power y equal to, here 2 square whole square. So 2 power y equal to 2 to the power 4. Therefore y equal to 4. This is what we get the value of y. Then coming to this 2 power z minus y, this one I am sending to that side, then it becomes 9 minus 1. Okay, so 2 power z minus y equal to 8. Okay, here I am going to subtract the y value. 2 power z minus 4 equal to 8. Subtract y value. Okay, so here 2 power z minus 4 equal to 2 cube. Okay, as the bases are equal, power should be equalized. So z minus 4 equal to 3, z equal to 3 plus 4, z equal to 7. This is what we get the value of z. Therefore, we get three values, which is here x equal to 2 one value, y equal to 4 second, and z equal to 7 third value. Therefore, okay, x equal to 2, y equal to 4, and z equal to 7 are the values of x, y, z. Here x less than, y less than z. Okay, that implies, let's see the values. So 2 less than 4 less than 7. So just look at here. Okay, this is if you satisfied. If you want, you can check it out. Okay, you can check the values. Let us check here. Let's check. Okay, so 2 power x plus 2 power y plus 2 power z equal to 148. Okay, 2 power x is 2 plus 2 power 4 plus 2 power 7 equal to 148. 2 power 2 means 4. 2 power 4 means 16. Okay, 2 power 7. So 2 power 4 equal to 16. Then 2 power cube equal to 8. 16 eights. Therefore 16 multiplied by 8. So 8 6 eights 48. 8 ones 8. 9 at 12. 128. 28 equal to 148. 4 plus 16 is 20 plus 128. That is 148 equal to 148. This is the answer. Okay, hence proved. So I hope guys you all understood this class well. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for watching.